My name is Cristiano Tunisi. I'm an international business leader in Roche Diagnostic based in Switzerland. First of all, we are very excited about this innovation, and we are able to introduce the first Roche Diagnostic blood-based biomarker in the neurodegenerative space. This marks the beginning of our journey, but also a commitment to the neurology field. This test is a breakthrough due to several key factors. Primarily because it's a blood-based biomarker which addresses the current challenges of long delays of receiving the diagnosis and access barriers associated with existing solutions. When it comes to the rule-in, we will be able to accurately detecting the p-tau217 level, and the test can confirm the presence of amyloid pathology, which is an hallmark for Alzheimer's disease. And this will allow for an earlier and more confident diagnosis, even in the early stage of the cognitive impairment.